Hey, Scott Leonard, this is Gomioji Drones, and today we are getting into the SDI Module 3, Part 2 of the drone build for the UAS 213 course. Today's date is July 25th, 2025. Let's get started. We are here at the end of the second part of the drone build, and what we've done is we have installed the avionics to include the autopilot, the Pixhawk, which is the brain of the operation, and we also installed the telemetry transmitter, which connects to the base ground controller, and this component sends all the telemetry data from the Pixhawk to the controller. We've also installed the receiver, and the receiver receives the commands from the ground control controller, provides that information to the Pixhawk. We've also installed the GPS mast and the GPS receiver. This connects with the GPS system, and this module lets the drone know its exact coordinates, its location in space as it relates to the ground and the location on the surface of the earth. And this also plugs directly into the Pixhawk. Then we installed the buzzer and also the safety switch. Now the safety switch is important because you will not be able to arm and start these motors unless the safety switch is pressed and held, I believe it's for 4 seconds, which takes that safety off and will allow you to arm the motors and start them. So without that, the possibility could exist that while you're working around the drone, that somebody could start the motors and you could get cut. We've also taken the opportunity to electronic speed controllers for each motor to the Pixhawk as well. And that concludes this portion of the drone build. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.